White gourd melon is loaded with essential nutrition, like vitamin B1, vitamin B3 and vitamin C, and possesses minerals like calcium, sodium, zinc, iron, phosphorus, manganese, copper, magnesium, selenium, potassium, and is a good source of amino acids, natural sugars, organic acids, and vitamins. It contains around 96% water, and if included in our diet can help our body to lose excess body weight. It is also a rich source of potassium, and this veggie can help maintain blood pressure. The best and tastiest way to eat this veggie is to cook it with a duck. This veggie is also known as winter melon, and mostly cooked with duck meat, and eaten during the winter period. If cooked properly with a duck, it can be extremely delicious to eat. During ancient time, this veggie is used for reducing swelling, and used as a home remedy for treating hypertension, improving kidney function, and also used for treating mercury poisoning, snake bites, hiccough, asthma, insanity, cholera, anthelmintic, delicacies, cough, and diabetes. This veggie is a rich source of vitamin C, which helps our body to prevent stroke. The white gourd melon is a natural anticoagulant, and helps our body in control bleeding. This veggie works wonders for internal bleeding. If included in our daily diet, can stop nose bleeding that occur commonly in summer. This veggie if eaten regularly can also heal internal bleeding, such as bleeding due to piles, ulcers, and even bleeding in kidney. The vitamin B2 in this veggie can heal headaches caused by migraines. It also helps in proper functioning of nerve, brain, digestive, hormones, and can prevent eye ailments, such as keratoconus, cataracts, and glaucoma. Winter melon should not be consumed in big amount, as it may result in indigestion, due to the presence of high proteins. It is also said that this veggie should be avoided by pregnant women, during the initial months.